Derek. Sorry, I'm late.
It's okay, Paul. You're plenty of time. You're no rush. No panic. We've a couple of cancellations today.
Oh, thanks.
Come on over here and I get your hair washed there for you. How was your day, anyhow?
Oh, very stressful. So very stressful day at work. That's lovely and cold. No, that feels fantastic.
Yeah.
Flowing into my eyes like that. Yeah, very busy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's lovely.
Sorry there, I didn't mean to get in your eyes
lovely.
there. Your face could do with a wash, anyhow.
Oh, thanks.
Just let that drain off there.
Oh, thanks very much.
Yeah. So you had a busy day, anyhow, yeah?
Very busy, yeah.
Just dry it off there.
It's a bit rough.
Come on over here, let me dry your hair.
Oh, thanks.
See this new hairdryer?
Oh, what's this?
Got this new Remington 3D hairdryer. That's brilliant. It's really light. Great power in it. And it was actually on a sale less than half price at Heavins Euronics.
How much was it?
It's €89. Way
right.
cheaper than any other brands on the market of the same technology at the moment. We can't mention the name.
All right. I get you, Derek. Wink, wink.
Oh, yeah. So, did you get your kitchen sorted?
Yeah, got my kitchen in Heavins there. Fantastic.
Oh, lovely.
Hassle-free, great value. Fantastic. Very happy with it.
And what colour did you go with?
Oh, I went with the in-style navy blue.
Oh, lovely, lovely. And what colour worktop to go with?
I went with Calcutta granite effect worktop.
Lovely. Just turn it down a little bit now, just on the sides there.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
Oh, I see that comes with a carry case too, Derek.
Yeah, it comes in a neat carry case, you know, to keep it protected, you know, in the box. And it's a real snazzy piece of kit, like.
All for €89.
All for €89.
That's fantastic value.
What's great about it, it's really lightweight, easy to use, and great drying it. You know, it's great for volume and.
I see it as volume, but that's
hair.
fantastic.
You look shiny, lovely shiny
Oh,
hair.
look at the shine in my hair.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that brush you're using too, Derek. Where did you get that?
And I got that in Heavins as well. It's a new technology hairbrush.
It looks like it's from the pet
double-sided
section.
one. You know, if you've really strong curly hair, you can use one side, and the other side is for short, straight hair.
It looks very similar to one I've seen in the pet section, Derek.
No. This is the new version now.
All right.
Yeah.
Just keep going there. My hair's nearly dry.
Yeah, just turn up a little bit again.
Oh,
look at the power of that.
Yeah.
Look at the power of that. Look at the way that's shining your hair up. Volume. Look at the volume.
That is fantastic.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm all set for tonight.
Oh, you'll be partying out tonight. Not knowing. Yeah.
Call down to Heavins. I get a Remington Air 3D hairdryer.